Good morning, subscribers and friends, everyone. Uh, in previous video, I have given how to restore the files or any documents from the recycle bin, but it was given in Tamil language. Now, those who doesn't understand Tamil, you can take it in English. Now, I am going to teach you two things. One is in recycle bin and another will be a not decided yet, but two things I have decided. The other one is a PowerPoint presentation, but it doesn't work. So first of all, we can go to the recycle bin and take the session. Yeah, now we are in the recycle bin, and what for the recycle bin is used? Most probably the recycle bin is used for restoring the data, files, or anything that we want to restore when we delete it accidentally. And it also helps in the same way that when we delete any documents accidentally, it will help us to restore again, and it will be not deleted permanently. It will be stored in one of the drive. Now these are the documents which I have deleted for my space purpose. These are my documents. So now we wanna go see a right. Now you want to restore any one of the documents. I am searching it for, but it does not come. Okay, right. Let's choose this voter ID. Yes, this one is deleted as it was too old. Now click on this and you will get the details of those file, type of the file and origin, where it is, and size. See, if the origin is downloads, means you can see the document only in downloads. If it's in desktop, means you can see in desktop. So the file is created on deleted on December 1 and created on 17 November. It is completely given, and another opportunity another option is given, that restore. Before restoring these things, I will show you an proof that it has not been restored yet. Wait, let's view the still getting to trouble. It shows that it was given in downloads. Sorry, it appears in downloads and its origin also in downloads, but now I am going to prove that it is not in downloads. And file is found with the voter ID number. See, hope so that you can see which I have underlined, but I don't want this to give as an example, so I want to choose another file for the example. So now what I'm going to do is just get a photo of an army truck convoy, because that was the one still I have not stored anywhere. Wait, now we are in downloads, but we have to be there in the recycle bin. Yes, in recycle bin you can see that Indian Army truck convoy. Yes, you can see that the origin is desktop, so that we will find more easier to identify whether this file is created from the beginning or it is restored now only. So now it is very easy to see that it has been restored. First, wait a minute, I'll annotate and I'll show you clearly. First I'll annotate and show you. I'm gonna draw. I gave restore, and finally the file have also been there. So now you can see the picture which have been restored. So this is the way how we can restore the files which has been deleted temporarily. And one thing is that is very tough, and it has to be followed strictly, that in recycle bin there are the files which can be downloaded or restored since it is deleted temporarily. If you download it permanently, you can't restore at any circumstance. Now for example, I am clicking on this and giving the delete option. See, and priority notice is saying that, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? It's alerting me that if you are deleting this, then you can never restore it again. So I don't want this, so I am now deleting. Then you have no option to restore the file that you've accidentally deleted, or the file which you want to be restored. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for your time, and see you in next video with different thoughts. And for avoiding the language problems, both in Tamil and English, the videos will be posted. Stay tuned by subscribe. Thank you, take care, bye.